General knowledge quiz. Match the company with its country. Samsung belongs to which country? Options: Japan, South Korea, China, United States. Answer: B. South Korea. Toyota belongs to which country? Options: South Korea, Japan, Germany, China. Answer: B. Japan. BMW belongs to which country? Options: United States, France, Germany, Italy. Answer: C. Germany. Tata Group belongs to which country? Options: India, United Kingdom, Japan, Australia. Answer: A. India. Apple belongs to which country? Options: United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, United States. Answer: D. United States. Huawei belongs to which country? Options: Japan, China, South Korea, Singapore. Answer: B. China. Ferrari belongs to which country? Options: Germany, United States, France, Italy. Answer: D. Italy. IKEA belongs to which country? Options: Norway, Sweden, Denmark, Finland. Answer: B. Sweden. Adidas belongs to which country? Options: United States, Germany, France, Italy. Answer: B. Germany. Sony belongs to which country? Options: South Korea, Japan, China, United States. Answer: B. Japan. Hyundai belongs to which country? Options: Japan, China, South Korea, Taiwan. Answer: C. South Korea. Peugeot belongs to which country? Options: Italy, France, Germany, Spain. Answer: B. France. Lenovo belongs to which country? Options: China, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan. Answer: A. China. Volkswagen belongs to which country? Options: United States, Japan, Germany, Sweden. Answer: C. Germany. Shell belongs to which country? Options: United States, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Germany. Answer: B. Netherlands. Puma belongs to which country? Options: Germany, France, Italy, United States. Answer: A. Germany. Lego belongs to which country? Options: Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland. Answer: B. Denmark. Nestle belongs to which country? Options: United States, Germany, Switzerland, France. Answer: C. Switzerland. Louis Vuitton belongs to which country? Options: Italy, United Kingdom, France, Spain. Answer: C. France. Unilever belongs to which country? Options: United Kingdom, Netherlands. Both A and B, United States. Answer C. Both A and B. Please write in the comment how much of your answer was correct. Subscribe for more.